Hello dear YouTube friends, my name is Edward and welcome to your 6th tutorial on how to make an e-commerce website. So in this video today we're gonna work on the header, and after we finish that I'm gonna make a very nice system with the shopping cart for our customers, So if you come here in the index page, on the home page, you can see that we have no name for our company. So I decided again to do something more easy and more cool. And what I'm gonna do is place a name here, and under the name we're gonna put something like a sentence about our company, and here is gonna be a logo. So I think I'm gonna use here a table. And then right here is gonna be the shopping cart. But what happens when they are not logged in? Most of the customers, when they are not logged in, they're gonna see here nice message with 2 links, and they're gonna say, hey, you are not logged in, please log in or register. Because when they are doing their shopping actions, we want to allow them to have a dynamic cart show right here and see what they are buying, how much they have to pay and stuff like that. So that is very easy to do. It's not so complicated as you think about. So now let's come here on the top on the header, and I think I'm gonna use a table. So table, I'm gonna put width, and I don't remember exactly the width of our site, 970. Okay, so cell padding gonna be 0, cell spacing is gonna be 0, border is gonna be 0 as well. Now we close here, and if you don't like to use a table, you can use as well divs, but for me it's more easy to keep the data clearly with table. So 1, 2, 3, 4 TD. Okay, and one more TD. Actually I'm gonna put those online. So Control C, Control V. Okay, so here is gonna be our logo, and let me see what weight do we have here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the image. So images source, and we don't have that image yet. We're gonna put it. Width is gonna be 120. Weight is gonna be as well 120. Okay, so border is gonna be 0, and we close the image tag and add here close an A tag, because we're gonna add here an A ref, and it's gonna be index.php. When I'm gonna upload my website to the server, or if you already have that site to a server, instead of index.php, just put the URL for your main site. So in here I'm gonna use an H1, close the H1, and gonna say junk clothes. Okay, and I'm gonna put here a break tag. Okay, and right under that I'm gonna say with H2 I'm gonna say something like make your shopping right here, or anything you like, it doesn't matter, right? can put what stuff you want. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do now is save all and refresh, and that's how it looks like. So it looks like shit, as I know. We have no image, and I want to do something. Put here a line to right, and here a line to left, and save all. So looks better. Actually, you can put a little space right there. So we're gonna do that in CSS. Now that we have the H1 and H2, so I want you guys to open the white black CSS code. Actually, this is my theme I'm using right now. If you have the main.css, open the main.css. So I'm gonna Control C H1 and go here before the body starts, and I'm gonna put H1 and H2. So first I want to put they want to have margin to the left about 20 pixels is okay. So Control C, Control V. Now font family, and I want a Verdun and Geneva sans serif. Okay, so I'm gonna want the font size as well to be 24 pixels, and I think it's okay, or even more. I'm gonna see. And I want the color to be, and let me think about something that is cool. And I think I'm gonna put a red. Now here I'm gonna the font size, font family actually, Arial, just Arial. Okay, font size is gonna be 16 pixels if it's okay, and color is gonna be gray. Now let me say this, and let's refresh, and for me it looks a little better. I don't know how that looks for you guys, but for me it's okay. Actually I think I'm gonna put this a little bit higher. So what I'm gonna do is put 14. There you are. Now I'm gonna quickly open my Adobe Fireworks. You know, I want to make this logo with you guys. So whatever. Okay, finally. So I gotta open new Fireworks, and remember that the size we need is 100 by 20. But actually I'm gonna put more larger to see when they are doing the image. So I'm gonna put the more transparent, and it's okay. Now I need the circle. So I'm gonna do my circle to be black. So I'm gonna fix the width and the weight. So 240, 240. Okay. No, I want to add 40 here. So I'm gonna center it right now, and I want to add this linear. So I'm gonna go to linear, and I think I'm gonna let it like that. It's okay. Now I'm gonna add another 220 by 220, and we're gonna have also linear, but I think I'm gonna put orange like that, and here yellow, and I want to select it's okay for me, I think. Now for me it's okay, by the way, now because we have this fix. I want text, so I'm gonna put here J from junk and C from clothes. Has sense. So I think I'm gonna put them as Verdana. I'm actually gonna choose my font. So let's see. Come on, something more. Actually, they are looking the same for all of them. So maybe this one looks cool. So bold and black, it's okay for this, but we need font size about not too much, 150. Actually, it's too large. I'm gonna 120. So I'm gonna center it. And one more thing, I'm gonna put this 110 by 110. So I'm gonna center it again. You don't have to change nothing. You have to change nothing. So come here to linear, and I want to try something else. Let's put here CCC. Okay. Now we have the logo. So for me it's perfect, guys. I don't know how it looks for you. I'm gonna save it. So save. I'm gonna go to my computer, C, XMP, htdocs, and I have my chunk clouds. So I'm gonna save this on the image folder, and I'm gonna save logo. In the future I think we're gonna have more logos, but for now we have one. Okay, I'm gonna close the job, don't need it anymore. So we're gonna have back here, and we're gonna put images slash logo.png, and now save all, and finally go here and refresh, and it's supposed to have a logo, and for me it looks pretty cool. Actually we can put text a little down, but it's okay for now. Now we want to go here and work on this stuff right here. So let's see how much we have. And I want to finish this in this tutorial, so I want to do it. So on the left side, right side, I'm sorry. 2, 3, 4. I think I'm gonna use divs. So let's use a div, and just put an ID of cart wrap, just wrap. Okay, now we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna put here if ID is gonna be equal to cart header, and we close here, and div ID is gonna be equal to cart body, and sorry, we close here the okay, we enter here this. So one more thing I'm gonna say, div ID is gonna be equal to cart the underscore, I say here car instead cart, sorry. Actually I don't think we're gonna need this, so delete. Okay, So file, save all. Now go to white.css and yeah. So control C this. I'm gonna go down, 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 down. Right here I'm gonna put a little comment. So that you know this is for cart. And by the way, if you want to make your life easier, you can put comments on the top of each div, so you know more easily where to edit. So I'm gonna pound control V. Actually have to start with cart wrap, sorry, so no problem. Pound control V, and I'm gonna put here. So the width is gonna be equal to, and we have here 100 pixels. Weight is gonna be auto and nothing else. Okay. So cart header, what it's gonna have, and in my opinion, is gonna look very cool. Let's use about weight is gonna be less with 10 pixels, so we put 160 pixels. Okay, so I'm gonna put the padding about 10 pixels, and the pixel line is gonna be equal to center. Font, actually, yes, font family is gonna be equal to Arial. Arial, okay, and color is gonna be equal to white. Background is gonna be equal to, and I think very cool. Actually, I want you guys to not use more than 3 colors, and I already made this mistake, but we're gonna mess that out. So what I want you guys to do is, let me think about, let's say the color to be on somewhere here, an orange. And one more thing, and I want to try this, where the radius is gonna be 4 pixels. So let me like that, and I want to add here one more thing. So if margin is to top, no, here margin red. So put here margin to top to be, what's main content? Website main wrap. Put here margin to top to be about 50 pixels, and we are done. And here put you something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Log in or register. Okay, now go here, refresh, and I understand why it's here and not in the middle. So let me see, guys, why. So we have here the last one is Y here. Oh, you remember that we made our site to 1000 pixels? I think we did it. Yeah, I forgot to manage out the here. Come here to the table. Right here, and put 1000. There we go. So file, save all, and everything looks cool right now, I think. It's okay. But I don't like how it looks like. So guess what? Here padding is with 2 padding. Sorry. So file, save all. Really cool for me. And why I think I have to make this larger. Actually put here padding to top, margin to top to be just let's say 7 pixels. Look how it looks like. No, 5 radius, so refrain. Okay, let's see how it looks like. I think we need more space for this one. We're gonna have one huge shopping cart. So okay, let's keep things like that. We're gonna work in the next tutorial more. So basically what we're gonna do in the next tutorial is to make a PHP file and check out if they are logged in or not, and we're gonna echo out the right message. And probably if we have time, I'm gonna try to build out within the next tutorial the register form so people can register, and after that is gonna come the series with the admin panel and stuff like that. So again guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, leave it below. I'm gonna gladly respond. So see you in the next video.